In this video, we're going to be testing TOKIT's new steaming basket by making steamed barramundi. My dad started by pouring a liter of water into the TOKIT and running it at 110 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes to allow it to boil. He bought barramundi from Costco, which came in a pack of 2, totaling to about 640 grams. The first step was to wash the fish. He chopped around 3 stalks of spring onions and a piece of ginger. You can chop the ginger more finely, though I dislike the strong flavor, so we chopped it into larger pieces. We used around 4 Chinese sausages in total. We plated the ingredients, using them to make a bed for the fish. You can slice the fish and stuff the ginger inside, though I prefer not to. The sauce for each fish requires 2 tablespoons of Chinese wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of sugar. We made 2 batches of this, mixing it well and drizzling it over the fish. Once the water was done boiling, we set up the steaming basket on top. There was space for 2 trays so we could steam both fish at once. We put the lid on top and steamed for 14 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius. You can see the steam coming out, though none of it escaped through the sides. Once the fish is almost done steaming, add peanut or low-flavored oil into a pan and heat until it reaches smoking point. Now that the fish was done, we carefully removed it and plated it. Both fish were perfectly steamed. We added on all the remaining ginger and spring onion, and then my dad carefully poured on the boiling oil. Now the fish were finally ready to enjoy. As you can see, the fish wasn't undercooked and the steamer did well. The fish was flavorful and paired well with the Chinese sausage. We typically serve ours with white rice. This was a great meal that didn't require much preparation and will definitely make it again for dinner. I recommend you try it at least once to see if you like it.